Are you a nurse who is confused about your registration status? Whether you want to transfer it or you need to renew it? Dear friends, I am here to make you confident with your status, what you need to do when you want to renew or transfer a registration. Dear friends, I welcome you all to Nurses Ladder. In this video, we are going to know about how to renew your registration. What are the criteria related to renewal of nursing registration? So dear friends, let's start this video. If you want to renew your registration, you are supposed to approach the State Nursing Council where you have the registration certificate. So you will be approaching the State Nursing Council. Once you apply for a renewal, you will have to pay a particular fees for renewal of your nursing registration. And once you renew a registration or once you get your registration done, it will be valid for another 5 years. So once this 5 years is going to get over, you are supposed to renew your registration. So it has to be done before its expiry. That means before 5 years. So if you don't do a renewal of registration within this 5 years, then your registration will be expired. The validity of the registration will be done. If it is expired or if the validity is over, that is after 5 years, if you want to renew a registration and you are going to approach the State Nursing Council, they may charge you a certain amount of fine, or you may have to attend or show the attendance of certain credit hours of continuing nursing education which you might have attended within this 5 years. So that is what I have written here, CNE. CNE is continuing nursing education. This is the number of educational programs in the form of workshops, webinars, certification courses which you will attend that will have a credit hours which is credited by the State Nursing Council or Indian Nursing Council. So if you are going to attend the CNE, you make sure that you will get the credit hours which is recognized by the particular State Nursing Council. So it depends on different State Nursing Council how many hours you are supposed to have as your credit hours in terms of CNE. So depending upon that, you are supposed to submit the certifications which you have got in your hand that are related to the webinars, workshops, conferences or certain certifications which you have done within the 5 years of your registration. So that is all about CNE. So it is a must before you renew your registration. Now, if you want to transfer your registration, make sure that you will transfer your registration within this 5 years after you complete your registration. I mean to say, if you want to transfer your registration, you should transfer it before it gets expired or before 5 years is over. So make sure that you do it, otherwise it will be a difficult process to transfer your registration from a State Nursing Council to another State Nursing Council. So my dear friends, I hope you got some idea about how to approach State Nursing Council, when to approach the State Nursing Council for renewal of your nursing registration, and what is the process and what are the criteria which you need to fulfill in order to renew your registration. I hope this video was useful for you. If you really like this video, press the like button and also subscribe to my channel for getting more videos related to nursing profession. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and Bye-bye.